We are here in Long Beach. We're here for a conference that Deanna's attending. Probably too dark. Maybe I'm brighter there. We're going to do some exploring, but for the most part, I'm going to camp out in this room and do some writing because I'm working on a horror script and I got to get that thing done. Deanna is now on break from her conference. Yay! So we're wandering around the Pike looking for something to munch on. I'm confused by what is going on over here. Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds. Alexis, can you go call Karina, please? Yeah.
We are at Ballast Point Brewery. What are we doing here?
I'm gonna get some food and some beer.
Squish your head.
No, I squish your head. No, I can't squish your head.
This is Deanna networking. She's never met any of these people. She hates doing this type of stuff. But look at her go! She's trying. She's like all interactive and talking. Yay! This is our view for tonight's dining adventure, and that adventure is going to be the Impossible Vegan Burger, which we've never had before. So this should be neat.
About 9 months in, like I'm in the hospital. Like, yeah.
It looks like a real burger.
It doesn't taste like a real burger. Not that it's bad, but it doesn't taste like beef.
I don't know. I think it's okay. I think if I wouldn't know that this was not a real burger.
I would know that there's something wrong, that there's something off.
Eat that little piece of meat. I think this is a totally fine substitute for meat.
Oh yeah, it's good.
We don't need cows anymore. There you go. Fake meat. I know you hate networking and meeting people, but wasn't that fun? Yeah,
that was fun.
That was worth it, right?
Yes,
so
it wasn't
I
stepped outside of my
out of your
my comfort zone.
Ooh, maybe tonight in bed you'll step outside your.
Give me 2 seconds. Alexis, can you go call Karina, please?
Yeah.